what's going on, everybody? It's Ralph with Pondscapes out in Florence, Arizona, back at it again, fresh off the heels of the beautiful Dream Stream project that we did for Laura at Garden Answer in Ontario, Oregon. And we're here where, Denny, it's still in the hundreds.
Yeah, Denny Kirby.
We're working for Denny Kirby, and he ordered up the hot stuff for us. Okay, what we are doing for Denny and his wife, Carol, is a Pondless Waterfall about 8 feet long, and it is a howling wind out here. All right, so hopefully you guys can hear me over that wind, but what we have is a spot picked out where we're going to do 5 aqua blocks and a small waterfall spillway. Perfect corner spot in the, right off their back patio with a beautiful golf course backdrop. And the pressure is on because I've got 3 supervisors here making sure that we get it done right. All right, so a lot of times we talk about our hurdles that we have to deal with. Not really too much to speak of. We snuck down the side yard and we've got our road mats out here. The only reason we have those in a spot where we turn so we don't rut up the gravel. You can see we were turning right here. We'll rake all that out, but we've got great access here. We do have irrigation coming under, but that's in hard PVC and it comes around this way. We're going to build a boulder retaining wall off the back because this property slopes quite a bit off that backside, so we do need to gain some elevation to support our waterfall, but we're going to do that with boulder backdrops. Okay, we have our plan all set in motion and we painted it out. However, the wind is blowing our paint away. But we're gonna have our small spillway situated right about this area. These are 2 of the accent boulders from the landscape that were in place. We've already got those set, just kind of protecting that irrigation line. There is a multi-port emitter there, and that hard PVC line goes under where that machine is sitting and down that way. So there's opportunity for irrigation for this space once we create the waterfall. Okay guys, we have got our guts in. That's our excavation's complete. We've got our fabric, we've got our liner, we got more fabric. We have 6 small aqua blocks, our pump vault. It is time to start rocking. Keith, give me some rocks. Okay guys, we are back at it, and what we've got to get going is working off of this area right here. I want to do a weir stone, so that would be stone where the water falls off of, like this guy right here. Now, something that we are going to do with this section is I want water coming through here. So I took this boulder and canted it forward to raise the back so it's going to be level with the main weir stone. And then also this has a pitch this way and this way, so this has a high point right here in the center, so that's going to help push water around this way, and then it pitches up that way to keep the water from continuing. So we're going to get water running right through here, so that's going to be really cool. But now our focus is right back here. Okay, we're on the home stretch. It is time to bib our levels. So we've got all of our waterfall drops set. So that obviously is one. And I'm also turning this little point into one. I think we talked about that earlier. We've got to level this area out, bib that, and then bib this area out. I like this setup. I want to see action come through and then spill through, generate a little bit of white water coming through there. And then where we have our small spillways set up, we'll bib right back in there. We've got all of our main boulders set. We do have 3 rocks hanging out right over here that are left. Those might be a couple accent pieces right in this area. But now what we need to do is do our liner trimming, get some dirt backfilled over here, and give that thing a test run. All right, guys, while Keith is working on trenching and putting in our water supply for our float valve, I've cut out our first bib liner. So this is our liner. This is just scrap left over from the cutting and doing the edging. And basically, I just trace that out. There's that flat layer of river pebble down below. Trace this out to match that contour. Now I'm going to go around that perimeter with our foam and then place that liner right into the foam. Now, as I'm pressing this in, what I'm wanting to do is get the edge of the liner to press that foam to where it comes up and over. And that way it gives that liner edge a nice hug. And then what I'll do is come around again and do another bead of foam and just adhere that to the top of that liner and that existing foam that's being pressed out. And that gives that good seal. And just like that, bibbing is all done, and we've got the gravel backfilled into the stream beds, and we are up and flowing. Let me know what you think.